Hey guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. Starting it in the car on the way to the supermarket because G and I celebrated our 2-year anniversary yesterday, which was so nice. We went for a really nice meal. And this weekend we've booked a little hotel trip just near Oxford, I think, at a hotel that I've always wanted to go and stay at. And I'm gonna vlog because it looks cool as fuck, and yeah, it'll be really nice. But I'm just on the way to the supermarket to pick up some bits because my parents are house sitting the house and looking after Maurice when we're gone. They're cat sitting for us, so I'm gonna get some bits in for them, like some wine and some food, so yeah, they feel super at home when they get there. Food shop successful. I got loads of wine for us, wine for my parents. Yum yum yum. Oh, we're all ready to go. I'm gonna miss you so much. He can definitely tell that we're going, can't he? Oh. All these treats I've got for my parents, including some cat food. I've written them like a 5-page instructions on Maurice. Yeah. I've also stocked the fridge with some wine, some ready meals, some of their milks. Driving through London, which is weird. It's sunny, but it also looks like it's about to rain. Driving through good old Trafalgar Square now. So we took a wrong turn, but we're now driving up Regent Street. This is like a nice little bus tour of London on the way out to Oxford. The Christmas lights are up in Oxford Street. Oh, I feel so rough today, but we have just checked into the hotel. So we're staying at a hotel called Crazy Bear, which I've wanted to stay at for so long now. I can't even remember where I first heard about it, but I saw pictures years ago, long time ago, where they've got baths that fill up from the ceiling. It's like a waterfall fills up your bath, and I've always wanted to stay here but never had the opportunity. So when G and I were looking at places to come for our anniversary weekend, I suggested this and they had a date. So we're staying in a garden suite, which doesn't have a bath that fills up from the ceiling, but it does look gorgeous. This place is so quirky. I love it. Like, the reception is in a double-decker bus. And they have this guy and cute little ponds with fish. This is like the outside dining, like bar area, and we just had a glass of champagne on arrival in the bar, and we were sat next to like an open fire, which was so nice, like so autumnal. I love it. G is motioning for me to come and check out this. Where are we going? What is that? This is so weird, isn't it? Whoa, it's huge. This is awesome. That must be one of the restaurants. Okay, we've just got into our hotel room. This is the most bizarre hotel I've ever stayed in. I'm gonna give you a room tour. Nice mirrored front door and velvet carpeted walls. And you walk in here. We have a little lounge area. This is so weird. I love it. So majestic, but also so tacky. It's great. It's this little wardrobe. I'm gonna get so many good pics in here. So there are 2 restaurants in this hotel, a Thai and an English restaurant. So we've got the Thai restaurant booked today. I'm gonna show you my outfit. The lighting in this room is awful. You can hardly see anything. But there's a light in the wardrobe. So I'm wearing this dress that I got from Topshop last year. I think this is actually the first time I've worn it out. Last year I felt a little bit self-conscious in it for some reason because it's quite dressy, but I like the high neck and all the frills, and it fits me really nicely. And I'm wearing my favourite Zara heels and my YSL bag baby. Look at this place at night. It looks so cool. It's like being on holiday. We've got two lots of prawn for dinner. It is Saturday. It is nearly 3 o'clock. I haven't vlogged yet today, but we've had such a chilled one. We went for breakfast at the hotel. We watched the first episode of Ratched in bed because we really came away just to get out of London and energise and spend time in this gorgeous room that we're paying it for. But we've decided to come for a little wander around Oxford because neither of us have been before and it's only a 20-minute drive away. So we're gonna come and just we've got a camera with us. So we're planning on just having a little walk around and taking some pics, but we're stuck in traffic, so we reckon it's going to be super busy. But our plans for the day is to, after this, go back to the hotel and maybe play some backgammon or board games and then go for dinner this evening. So it should be a nice day. Okay, we're going to play this game that we invented in Pisa, in Tuscany, which was, you walk down a road and then you go whatever way looks the prettiest. So if you're exploring a new place, this is the perfect game. So this is our options. This way, we've come from that way, or this way. Obviously we're gonna go this way because it's prettier, so yeah. So there's a road here in Oxford which has got loads of cafes on it, and they've closed off the road and just put loads of tables out so people can still work and study within the tier rule. This is awesome. So it's Freshers' Day today and everyone's out celebrating. They've all got their bottles of Prosecco. They're all in their little outfits. I love it. This is amazing. I love it. We've come back to our hotel and we've got some olives and a nice glass of Merlot. But we've also brought our backgammon board with us, so we're going to play this next to the fire. Oh, well, it goes this way. We're at dinner now. I've donned my sequins, which are really itchy around the old neck. But we're eating in an English restaurant tonight, and it's all small sharing plates. We've got a rib, chicken sliders, boiled eggs, beetroot salad. Looks good. This is the dress I'm wearing tonight. It's from Zara. I got it last year for a swing dancing thing, but I hadn't worn it yet. I've loosened my belt because a lot of food, but yeah, very sparkly. Hey guys, it is Monday morning. I am so happy to be home with this little one. We got home yesterday lunchtime. Oh, you okay? You're leaving me? Bye then. Oh, back, you want to come back? Okay. Yeah, we got back yesterday lunchtime. So nice to see Maurice again, missed him loads. God, I can't even imagine what it's like being a parent. I had my circus class last night. I did film a couple of bits for it. Worried that it would be cancelled actually because of the new tier change, but because we can all keep a distance in class, we're all more than 2 meters away, we were able to still do it. And also there's only 5 of us in the class, so according to the government that's still fine to go ahead. So yeah, I'm aching loads today, but really excited it's Monday and feeling really inspired with work. I've got loads to do. My brand jobs are kind of slowing down now, which is nice because it means I can get on with content that I've had on my list for ages. So this week I'd like to film a couple more Halloween looks, more petite stuff, some more fashion stuff. I want to start up my date review series on my blog again, so I'll tell you about a date, like a restaurant or somewhere, and I'm going to add a little bit into those posts about COVID safety, so what each place is doing in terms of face masks or hand sani or temperature checks or whatever, that stuff. So yeah, it should be a nice week. I'm having a no makeup day today. My skin has been so bad recently. It's just my chin, so bad, but today's the first day I've woken up and it's looking a little bit better. Like I've got no new spots. Hopefully my skin will clear up soon because that is so stressful. Really hope I don't have to go back on Roaccutane because that would just be the worst. So I have edited some brand jobs today, edited my weekly so far, and I thought I'd quickly show you some PO box bits because they're really fun and I can't wait to properly like get stuck into them. Every Halloween, Boots send like a Halloween wreath as a little press PR product, and every year it's amazing, and this year's I think might be my favourite. It is gorgeous. It's in this huge box and I've had to keep it in the box because Maurice loves it, but it's got kind of like dried flowers on it and loads of glitter, so I haven't wanted to like get it out properly yet, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous. So they've got some products in here from brands that are stocked on Boots, which I didn't know. MAC is stocked on Boots, NYX, and what is this, NARS, Fenty, Kat Von D collection. They've got some amazing brands here, so I'm going to take a picture of this and then get all the products off, hang this up on my front door, and yeah, use the products for Halloween tutorials, which I'm going to film 2 of this week because obviously Halloween is coming up very shortly and I need to get on with my Halloween content. Oh, there's a few more products here. What's that? Oh, someone's woken up and is coming over to see what I'm doing. You look so tired, little one. And look, you're coming straight for that. I knew you would. Don't eat it. Barry M have launched some new products called Velvet. Lots of really nice kind of like muted, oh my god, I'm gonna have to move him one sec. Yes, so they've released a Velvet range which has these really pretty kind of muted, warm toned nail polishes. They've got some really nice looking lipsticks, oh my god, Maurice! And a really nice palette as well, which has face products and also eye products. Sky and Now TV sent over the book for their new series that's just come out, Brave New World. Sounds really interesting. It says New London, where family, money, monogamy and privacy have been abolished. Sounds really interesting and quite dystopian, so I'm definitely up for reading that. And also Sanctuary have sent over a selection of their Christmas gifts this year. Pamper Cracker, mini manicure, body treats and a bedtime heroes set. I love the sound of all of these. They're the perfect kind of stocking fillers. Also this year Sanctuary have done amazing things with their packaging, so all the packaging is completely recyclable and all the bottles and tubes inside are made with recycled plastic and it's all vegan friendly, so they're really trying to do their bit this year on going completely plastic free, which I think is so important, and more brands need to do this. So yeah, all the ones that have zero plastic in have this little symbol on them. This press package is, oh my god, pinching myself. Molten Brown, whoa! Molten Brown have sent some of their festive limited edition things from this year. So Juniper Jazz Candle, the Juniper range is a new fragrance this Christmas. Muddled Plum, oh my god, this is one of my favourite ever fragrances from a couple of years ago. So much so that I bought myself the perfume as a little treat because it smells amazing. So this shower gel is so glittery. Juniper Jazz EDT, oh I'm going to try that now. And then also from Molten Brown this Christmas they have some really gorgeous presents. They've got a cracker which is just the nicest and it has a selection of their shower gels in it, and an advent calendar which I'm going to do a full unboxing of because it is stunning. Also Molten Brown this year have teamed up with a charity, Champion to End Loneliness, and this is because there are 9 million lonely people in the UK and 4 million of them are older and they lack the friendship and support everyone needs. So they've released this range of Christmas cards which are so gorgeous. I would definitely buy some of these, and all the profits from the cards go to this Campaign to End Loneliness charity, which I think is gorgeous. And another advent calendar I am so excited to open, L'Occitane. Look how pretty this is this year. This is worth £88 and you can buy it for £53, so you're getting a bit of a saving there if you do like L'Occitane products. But again, I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I'd actually really appreciate you guys if you could tell me how you would like to watch the unboxings this year. I'm thinking of doing them on IGTV just because it's a little bit different. So yeah, let me know if you want them here on YouTube or IGTV and I will get on filming those. So Bare Minerals have kind of changed the formula to their best-selling skincare range, Skin Longevity. They've just basically like boosted the ingredients so you get better results. This is the new kind of packaging for it. There's also green tea herbal eye masks and I didn't know Bare Minerals did that, so I'm really excited to try this. The eye treatment as well. Sounds amazing. This is all long life herb treatments. We just had a Zoom call with one of our favourite couples, our mates, which was really nice. And now we're eating dinner. We cooked a Thai red curry using some curry sauce that we bought from the farm shop where we just stayed at Crazy Bear. They made their own like Thai sauces that you could buy that they also use in the restaurant, so I'm really excited about this. Guys, it's Tuesday. I am filming Halloween makeup tutorials today. I've only done 2 so far this year, so I thought I needed to get on it. So today my plan is to film 2 new ones. This is the first, and what time is it? I think it's probably like 11, so I'm doing quite well for timing so far. Oh yeah, 3 minutes to 11. I just had a break because somehow we've got no windows open, but somehow a huge fly has got in and Maurice is going nuts trying to catch it. He's so cute. I'm gonna sort this wig out, take a couple more pics and then wash this off. Second tutorial done. It's kind of like a skull. I did something similar to this a couple of years ago, but this is without glitter. And I've also got some gems on my boobs. Oh no, don't be scared. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some lunch now so I can take all these off. You should take coloring your hair at home to the next level with Madison. Oh, I've got a really bad headache today and I'm covered in eyelash glue which I can't get off. But G's just made me dinner. We've got...
no, every time you say that, it's always like school dinners. Every time.
Yeah, but it's my babe. We've got chicken Kiev, so I'm really excited about this. Thank you for waiting. So a friend has started a new art business over lockdown, and she wanted to send a print that she's made. Not a print, like a painting that she done especially for me in my office. So I'm really excited to open it up. Oh wow. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So nice. I'm going to leave her link down below so you can go and check it out. But yeah, I really love this. I love all the kind of like texture and detailing in it. This is going to look really cool.